All right, so this is question 3, and we want to answer to the parts from A through C. All right. Okay, so the first part, we want to state the multiple regression equation. And to do this, we just need to get the data. So in this table, we get the output as we got it on Excel. We did not get the raw data. So the interpretation of this, let me go to the other side so I can notate. So here we have the y-intercept, and is written over here, the intercept. So that's going to be the number. So this is the first number here. And then we get the revenue. So the revenue is for X1, and we can link it as well. So this number is going to be right here. And finally, we get the efficiency. So the efficiency here is going to be equals to this number. And again, we can link it. So the number, this one, is going to go right here as well. Okay, so let's input it. All right, so the y-intercept, we want to round to 2 decimal places. So you're going to be 11.785, which is going to be 79. The second one going to be 0.671, so 67 should be enough. And the third one, it should be 0.842, so 0.84. Right, let's check the answers. Great. Now, on the second part, we want to determine the definition of B1, right? What is B1? And we have these 3 statements. So, what is the definition of B1? Is holding the value of X2 constant, increasing the value of X1 with 1 unit, and whatever is gonna be resulting is the increase of Y in 1 unit as well, right? Well, it's not 1 unit, 1 unit times B1. Okay, so the issue here, we don't know the unit is in billions or the 1 unit is in percentage. So we have to go back to the text. We need to identify the X1. So the X1 is right here in billions of dollars. That's the X1. So we know the right statement will be A, and they wanted to put it as a percentage. So be careful about this. We know it's 0.67. However, you want to express it as percentage. So it has to go multiply by 100, and that's going to be 67%. And you want to round it to nearest integer, so it should be fine there. Okay, let's check it. Good. So right now we are defining B2, and it is the same process. So B2 means we're gonna maintain X1 constant. We're gonna increase the value of B2 with 1 unit, and the result will be an increase in Y's with the value of B2. All right. So the B2 we know is 0.84, and we need to define right now the X2, what is express it, and we can see here the statement X2 is in percentage, so it means in percentage, right? So this will be our statement, increase 1% if you see it, and the increase is going to be here because it's positive is increase. Otherwise, if it is negative, it's going to be decrease, right? So it's going to be 0.84, and again we have to multiply by 100 to get a percentage. So if you multiply by 100, it's going to be 84%. Check it. Good. And the last question, well, obviously here we are using 2 variables, so we are using the revenue and efficiency, all right, together to get the answer. So the model here is using both revenue and efficiency to predict the charitable commitment, and that should be the answer.